Start by carefully removing the dust cover from the printer. This will give you clear access to all components needed for the capping maintenance process. Please note, before performing the capping procedure in this video, it is mandatory to complete your regular daily and weekly maintenance. If you're unsure of these steps, we have detailed videos available that guide you through the entire process. Lower the print bed. Then switch off the machine. Once it's powered down, gently move the printhead to the center so you can reach the cap top area with ease. Before we begin, make sure you have a lint-free cloth and UV printer cleaning liquid ready. Take a lint-free cloth, fold it in half and place it directly on top of the cap top. Apply UV cleaning liquid to the cloth, ensuring it's properly soaked. This keeps the rubber seal hydrated and prevents any drying or clogging during the holiday period. Next, move the printhead back to its original position. You should hear a small click when it's correctly seated. After that, empty the waste container completely. This prevents ink buildup or overflow while the printer is not in use. Please note that a full monthly maintenance routine and a nozzle check with photographic proof are mandatory. Keep a comparison photo from your startup date, as nozzle patterns may vary depending on environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity. It is also recommended not to leave the printer for longer than 2 weeks. If you'll be away for an extended period, feel free to contact us for further guidance. Your ArtisJet UV printer is now fully prepared and protected while you enjoy your holiday. If you need help or have any concerns, reach out to MaxLaser. Our technicians are always ready to assist.